So today's our double day in Namche Bazaar. We came up yesterday from Manjo, spent the night in Namche, and then today we stay the day in Namche and the night, and then we move on tomorrow. So we do a bit of a loop around town on our acclimatization day. It's important that get people up on their feet, to get them moving. So we hike up outside of town, we come to the Cultural Museum, we go to the Tenzing Norgay statue. We didn't quite have views of the high mountains. We saw Lhotse today, but couldn't see Everest. We'll have plenty of time for that in the days to follow. And then this, after we get done up here at the Cultural Museum, we'll see a bit of a slideshow, and then work our way back through town and drop down to the Namche Monastery, where we'll have a puja ceremony for our group, a special blessing for our safe journey. And it's really important to get people up and about. We don't do too much. We used to go up to the Everest View Hotel, but I found that it got people out for the entire day, and it's nice if they have a little time to rest this afternoon. And it also explore Namche. People like to look around in Namche so they can kind of go free and enjoy themselves in the afternoon. So we're going to look at these cultural sites here, traditional Sherpa home up here, and then the Sherpa Museum. We went up to the statue and looked at the Sagarmatha National Park Museum. And then after that, we're going to work our way above town down to the Namche Monastery, where we'll have our puja ceremony. We'll have lunch, and then people are free all afternoon.